In this video, I'm going to show you how I got a $250,000 evaluation for one of my Amazon FBA product brands in under 3 minutes. Let's hop in and I'll show you exactly how much you can find out your business is worth right now. Welcome on into this video. We're going to take a look at the new feature put out by Flippa, which is the world's #1 marketplace for buying and selling Amazon stores with the most buyers. So if you list any of your businesses there, there's a pretty high likelihood people are going to see it and potentially buy it. Also, I want to give you a quick note. This is an Amazon seller newsletter that I've been subscribed to for over a year. If you want to look it up, you can go check out Crux Finder, and I'll have the link down below where you can sign up and just check out this email list. So I clicked on the Flippa link right here that I got from the email, and it took me right into here where it shows how much is your online business worth. This is on the flippa.com website, and I'll also leave that link down below for you guys to check it out. They asked you a couple questions about your business, and I'll do another example just real quick for you. And it seemed like one of the key things they're looking out for is if your business generates organic traffic. That means you don't have to run advertising to that. And based on that, I was able to get a huge evaluation on just one of my Amazon FBA listings. So if I pretty much just go ahead and refresh this right now, it says, "Welcome to the Flippa online business valuation bot. Would you like to know how much your business is worth? Reply yes to get started." So I'm just going to reply yes. And this is something that still should be taken with a grain of salt, but this gives you a nice foundation and super fast look at how much your business could be worth. So it's going to ask us some questions. Am I ready? I'll say yes. Let's start with your name. I'm Luke. And then it's going to ask for your domain name or URL. Now, if you're selling an Amazon product, for this example, I'm just going to grab the URL to this remote control airplane. I'll go back in here and paste that. And I did have a couple issues pasting in the URL at first. I pasted this big long URL, but really if you're just selling an Amazon product, you want to delete that whole extra part, just have the amazon.com and up until your product ASIN and just paste that in like I did up there. And it allowed me to move to the next level here. So it says, what year did I start the business? I started my products actually, this new brand in 2018. What is your main business model? We'll go with e-commerce. Which e-commerce platform do you use? I'm going to go with Amazon FBA. What was my total revenue for last month? A lot of this information you can get right inside of your Amazon seller account in the payments dashboard. Up here under reports, you can go to payments, see how much revenue you were making. You can also look at your sales and traffic under business reports here. Under the reports tab, you'll see business reports. You can come right here and check out your sales for each individual product you have on your account. That's really great. So for this example, I'm just going to say $14,000 in sales for the month. And now it's asking, how did your most recent revenue compare to other months? Did it decline, increase, or was it stable? I'll just say it was stable. And then it's asking for our total expenses. That could be everything from your product cost, shipping cost, Amazon FBA fees, advertising, anything like that. Roughly, I make about a 45% profit margin. So I can pull up a little calculator here and say that $14,000 in revenue times 0.44%. It's going to look like I'm spending about $6,160 if I'm getting about a 44% profit margin on my product. So I'll type that in, $6,160 is how much my total expenses are. Now they want to know how many monthly users visited my website last month. Now this is why I have this page open here. Again, under reports and business reports in your Amazon Seller Central account, come over to where it says detail page sales and traffic. It's actually really cool. You can see how many people were viewing your products on each day. So for instance, I got 174 page views on May 15th. Now down here, it will also show each day and the ordered sales. And if I zoom out a little bit, you'll see the page views are all coming down here in a list. And at the bottom, it'll show the total page views for the last 30 days. So 3,430 page views. We'll type that in, 3,430 page views. Now, luckily for my Amazon business and what I teach many of my students is to just rank your products up to page 1 so you're getting organic sales. That means you don't have to spend advertising. And just based on you being on page 1 for a really popular keyword, that's when the customers see your product and just organically buy it. It saves you so much in terms of advertising dollars. And if you're interested in getting any more coaching on Amazon FBA, I'll have a link to a one-on-one call you can book. Or if you haven't even started and you just want to get your feet wet with a full-on course and have a mentor there that's going to have your back, that will be me personally. It's not any team that I have. It's literally just me that will be answering any of your questions. If you want to sign up for that, I'll have my full Amazon Seller Pro course down below as well. And that's going to show us how we can get mainly organic SEO. Again, this is one of the things that is going to determine how much you can sell your business for, because if you have to spend so much on advertising, you're not going to get the top dollar for your business. So honestly, what percentage of your traffic is organic? For me, it's really about 50 to 75%. It's probably actually more than 75%. If I showed you my advertising spend like I did in the last video I made with Helium 10, showing my total ad spend compared to the total revenue I've made on Amazon, my ad spend was only about 2.5% of my total sales. So very small number there. I just went with between 50 to 75% for this example to be a bit more conservative. Is this your business you're getting a valuation for today? I'll say, yes, this is my business. When are you looking to sell your online business? I'm not selling, I'm just curious, I'm considering selling, or I'm definitely selling. I'll just say I'm considering to sell. Thank you. We're calculating your valuation for your online business right now. It won't take too long. Your valuation is ready. Please enter your email address. After typing in my email address, they asked me for a phone number. I just put in a fake phone number here. It says, thank you for your patience. Based on your inputs, your business is likely valued between $175,000 and $214,000. That is absolutely insane considering I only put in the business is making about $14,000 in revenue per month. I have many Amazon students, and one I just posted on my Instagram story that's making over $78,000 a month. I have another student in California doing over $130,000 a month. So that's just showing the power of what you can really sell here online. People are looking to buy Amazon businesses more than ever. I've created other videos about huge companies like Thrasio that is just pouring millions and millions of dollars, $750 million into buying Amazon FBA businesses because that's the way of the future. E-commerce is. And if you have a scalable brand on Amazon, it's just that. It's very scalable. So that's what people are looking out for. And when you have that organic traffic to top it all off, you don't have to spend so much on ads. And the best part about Amazon is, and that's why Thrasio and these companies love Amazon businesses, is because Amazon has the trust and credit card numbers of almost 2/3 of Americans. That's over 200 million people. And my favorite part about the Amazon FBA business model is that once you send your products from your overseas suppliers, like I'll buy my products in China, I'll get my own brand name and stuff put on it. They ship it right into the Amazon warehouses, so I don't have to stick around with a bunch of boxes in my house. Amazon stores it for me and they ship it out to the customers, where the customers get it with that 2-day prime shipping. So all you have to do is build a great product, get a good bundle together, stand out amongst your competitors. And if you follow the course I've created, which I have again linked right down below, the Amazon Seller Pro course, like so many other students have, they've been able to generate organic sales. And this is just for one product, guys. I could sell and make a lump sum payment of $214,000. We can go up to Flippa right now and just type in Amazon FBA. And we'll get a whole list of different Amazon FBA businesses. And we'll see right here, this person is an Amazon store, but they're doing a drop ship model. That's not even fulfillment by Amazon. So this person probably has a team that has to take in order numbers and send them to the supplier every time an order is made, so the supplier can individually send out each unit. With Amazon FBA, we do the research up front, ship 100 or 200 or 500 products into Amazon, where we don't have to talk to our suppliers every time an order is made, because Amazon's just going to keep shipping those things out all day long. And look at this, they're making less than $2,000 a month in profit, and the starting price for this business is selling for $40,000. Imagine if you have a brand with 5 or so products, each making $10,000 a month. That's a $50,000 revenue income stream for you. And based, if you're getting a lot of organic traffic and sales, you can sell it for, hundreds of thousands of dollars. With the $14,000 business I just put in there, that was as high as $200,000 I could already get. So multiply that by 5 and you're looking at close to $1 million that you could possibly sell an Amazon business for. Now, I haven't taken the time to look into each of these people's e-commerce stores, but some of them are a bit more conservative. $1,100 in monthly profit, they're asking $8,000 for that. $1,700 in monthly profit, they're asking $15,000. Here's a person making $50,000 a month in profit and they're asking $1.8 million. So that shows you right there, almost $2 million for a business that's making $50K a month. This guy's only doing $2,500 and they're asking $90,000. So that's the name of the game of this Amazon business. You can use Amazon as the massive springboard that's already getting tens of thousands and millions of customers per month looking at their website. Use it to get traction on your product. You know, of course, have your goal board going up. And from there, your goals will keep getting accomplished. Once you have your first product in your brand making solid sales, go ahead and scale it out to 2 or 3 more products. And from there, you'll have a nice little brand that you can go ahead and list right here on Flippa and sell it for a giant lump sum. And you'll already have the skill of how to do e-commerce and Amazon FBA, so you can just rinse and repeat, so you can build more brands and get more giant lump sums of money in your pocket. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please smash the thumbs up button and share this video with anyone else that you know doing e-commerce so they know they can sell their businesses. And go ahead and subscribe for more how to make money with Amazon FBA YouTube videos. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you later. Peace out.